Hi, I'm Sam from HUAWEI Developers, and welcome to Develop with HMS Core. In this episode, I will show you how to integrate HUAWEI Identity Kit into your app. HUAWEI Identity Kit provides users with a unified address management and selection services. After obtaining the user's permission, you can obtain their existing addresses. There are three main services that HUAWEI Identity Kit provides. The first is address management, which allows for users to enter, edit, and search for addresses. The second is direct address access, which allows your app to directly reference user addresses after obtaining their permission, improving address management efficiency. The third service is address selection, which allows for users to set and select addresses conveniently. These services will be sure to help improve the conversion rate of your app. It's really easy to integrate HUAWEI Identity Kit into your app. And once integrated, it provides secure storage for user addresses, which it uses in strict compliance with the EU's General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, to ensure optimal user privacy. In today's episode, you will use a demo project to call HUAWEI Identity Kit APIs. Through the demo project, you will call the user address obtaining API of HUAWEI Identity Kit and handle responses. So, let's get started. First, let's create an Android project in Android Studio. To do this, select Empty Activity, enter your app name and package name, and click Finish. Next, visit the official website of HUAWEI Developers, go to Console, HUAWEI App Gallery, select My Apps, and click New to create an app. Specify all the required parameters and click Create. Now let's go to the Develop tab. On the pop-up that appears, enter your app package name, which must be the one you defined when creating a project. Then, download the configuration file, AG Connect Services JSON. Store the configuration file to the app directory. Then, open the build Gradle file and add HUAWEI Maven repository as well as the App Gallery Connect dependencies. Once you've done that, open the build Gradle file in the app directory. Add the App Gallery Connect plugin, HUAWEI Identity Kit dependencies, and your app signature configurations. Open the activity main XML file in the app directory. Add a text view for displaying user address information and a button to trigger the request to get user address. Now, open main activity and add all required global variables. In the onCreate method, set text view and a tap event listener for the button. Tapping the button will trigger the get user address method. In this method, create a user address request. Then, add event listeners on success and on failure. For example, when the request is successful, on success will display the returned result. When obtaining user information, your app will open a new page. In this case, add on activity result to receive return parameters, based on which your app will determine the user address information to be displayed. Okay, you've now completed coding for your app. Let's run the demo to test what we've been building. Click the Get HUAWEI User Address button to display the user address information. Great job! You've completed integrating Identity Kit into your app. Well, that's it for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below or visit the HUAWEI Developers website. And be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you next time.